To relieve your back pain effectively, pay attention to your breaths. Understand the basic principles of the movement. Do not copy, modify accordingly. Quality over quantity. In today's practice, these are the exercises that I'll be sharing with you. At the end of the video, I'll be sharing a practice tip that may highlight the mistake that you have been making. This can change the way you move and heal. Pain in the body is beyond physical. I would like to invite you to join my free 7-day mindfulness mini course that will guide you in a simple and holistic way to start your healing journey for a pain-free life. So if you're ready for today's practice, let's begin right now. Let's sit on top of the mat, knees and your feet hip distance apart. As we exhale, we're going to round our back and inhale, lengthen our spine, and exhale, round the lower back, mid back, upper back, going to our C curve, and inhale, sitting taller, lengthening our spine. Exhale, shifting back to C curve, and inhale, lengthening. And slowly move our hands back. And we're going to lift the chest up, gaze up if you're comfortable. Expand our chest on the inhalation. And exhale, relax. And slowly roll down. Lie down on our mat. Knees and feet hip distance apart. Let's practice the hip roll. As we exhale, slowly peel the spine off the mat. Inhale and exhale, slowly release the spine down. One vertebrae at a time. Inhale, lengthen our spine. Exhale, going to imprint and slowly peel the spine off all the way up to shoulder blades. Inhale and exhale, slowly release down. Aware that we do not move the knees outwards and inwards. Imagine there's a yoga block between the knees. As we exhale one more time, peel the spine off. Knees and feet hip distance apart. Exhale, release the spine down slowly. Now slowly straighten the legs, the arms over the head, and exhale, slowly return. Slowly, hands behind the head, and we're going to draw one knee up, the other knee up, knees and feet together. Prepare for hundreds. Inhale, nod our head, flex our neck, flex our abs. So you can keep the knees bent, or you can straighten the legs, arms by the side, or both hands. Option to lower the legs down only if you're comfortable. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4. 20. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4. 30. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4. 40. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 2, 3, 4. 50. And slowly release down. And slowly lower one foot down, the other foot down. Let's stretch out our legs and arms up over our head and give ourselves a good long stretch. Now slowly come on our knees, hip distance apart. We're going to slowly extend the right leg out, arms up to shoulder level. Now slowly shift our trunk more to the left side and lower the fingertips down in line with the knees and toes, and bring the top arm over. You can stay in this position. Only if you're comfortable, shift the hands slightly further and float the leg up and form a straight line from fingertips to your toes without arching your back. Lengthening your spine, keeping the spine in neutral, toes down, arms up, and slowly return to the first position. And let's counter stretch by bringing the left arm over and slowly come back to center and relax. And from here, let's practice the opposite side. Extend our left knee, toes and knees on the same horizontal line, arms out to shoulder level. Shift the trunk more to the side. Lower the right fingertips down, arms over, forming a straight line, fingertips to toes. Only if you're comfortable, let's shift the hands further away and float the leg up and form a straight line in this position, aware we do not arch the back, rib cage placement in neutral. Toes down and arms up. Slowly come back and counter stretch. Bring the opposite arm over the head, stretching the side of the body. Back to center. Inhale. Exhale, slowly relax. Let's rest in the shell stretch. Release the elbows, sit bone on the heels as much as you can. Breathing into the mid and lower back. And slowly come up. Next, let's practice the leg pull front modified version. Palms shoulder width apart. Tuck your toes, knees together. As we exhale, float the knee up. Make sure our back is straight, spine in neutral, hips, shoulders and head on the same plane. Slowly lower the knees down. Option to go into the full version. So we're going to extend one knee to the back and slowly the other knee and hold in plank and stay here. If you're comfortable, inhale right foot up, exhale down. Inhale left foot up, exhale down. Inhale right foot up, exhale control down without sinking. Inhale left foot up, exhale control down. Maintain neutral spine. Slowly bend the knees and let's rest in shell stretch one more time. Breathing deeply into the mid and lower back. As we exhale, release all the tension in neck, shoulders, hips. Breathing. And slowly curl up. Next, we're going to work on our obliques in a seated position, knees and feet hip distance apart. Inhale, sitting tall, and exhale, form a circle with the arms. Inhale here again, and exhale, we're going to round the spine into your C curve. As we exhale, twist to one side, 2 exhalation without moving your arms. Inhale, center, maintain the C curve. Exhale, twisting to the opposite side without moving your knees. Back to center and slowly return. Inhale, sitting tall. And as we exhale, slowly round the back, go into your C curve without squeezing your knees. Exhale, exhale to one side. Extend the lower arm if you feel comfortable. Continue to engage your shoulder blades. Coming back, inhale and exhale. And exhale, opposite side, lower arm extend, lengthen, join the arms, inhale back to center, and exhale slowly curl up and coming back to neutral spine alignment. Arms out to the side, shoulder level, slowly go to your V, keep your shoulders away from your ears. Exhale, slowly lower down, sitting tall. Let's practice the mermaid modified version. So we're going to bend the right knee and then left in this position. Keep the back straight and slowly lift the right arm up and slowly stretch to the side. Breathing into the right hip, right waist. Exhale back to center. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, stretch to the side. Keeping the arm a bit rounded. Inhale. And this time we're going to twist more towards the right, lower the hands down, and slowly we're going to stretch the hip flexor, extend the back leg, and we are going to go on our forearm, chest not sinking, and keep the hip square, lengthening the back leg, and feel the stretch. Breathing. So if you're comfortable, you're going to straighten the arms and walk the hands back. Let's sway the knees to the side and also rocking our buttocks, stretching our outer thighs. Next, let's practice the opposite side. So left knee in this position and right foot in this position. Slowly lift the left arm up, sitting tall, lengthening the spine, and as we exhale, stretch to the side. Breathing into our waist, into our hips, and return. Inhale, exhale to the opposite side, opening the side of the body. Do not twist the body. Breathing. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, slowly we're going to turn to the side and extend the back leg. Keep the hip square and lengthen the back leg. Slowly go on our forearm. Do not sink the chest down, lengthening here, and just feel the release in the hips and the glutes. Breathing, breathing, and slowly extend the arms. You can walk the hands closer, deeper stretch in this position. And slowly face the front, knees bent. And inhale here. Arms out. As we exhale, slowly roll down. And let's extend our legs, arms over the head. Give ourselves a good long stretch. And from here, slowly bend our knees. Place one palm on the abdomen and the other arm on the chest. And let's just breathe mindfully, keeping our spine neutral. As we inhale, feel our abdomen rising, and as we exhale, abdomen sinking. Inhale, abdomen up, and exhale, abdomen sinking. Feel the rising and falling of our abdomen. Breathing consciously, relaxing the mind and relaxing our body completely. Be away from our thoughts. Draw our senses inwards. Relax. Relax. Slowly stretch out the legs, the arms, and slowly draw the knees towards the chest. Roll our head sideways. Rock the pelvis clockwise, anti-clockwise to massage the back. And slowly roll to one side, and we come up to a sitting position. I hope that you enjoyed today's practice. As mentioned, I'd like to share with you a tip on how to practice effectively. So, first of all, in this position, when we're lying down, when we're working on the abdominal strength, many times we tend to compensate. So, for example, when we place our hands behind our head, we want to flex our neck, and as we flex our abs, we try not to tense our thighs or buttocks. So many people curl up higher in this position, but then we are tilting our tailbone up and also squeezing the thighs and the glutes just to come up higher. So let's try one more time. We're going to curl up, and this time we're going to twist and make sure we're not squeezing. And sometimes when we practice with awareness, it's actually a deeper connection with the core muscles. Another example, knees up. Make sure that our pelvis is neutral. So imagine there's a tray there and there's a teacup with a tea inside, and then we want to avoid spilling the tea. So once again, check whether we are squeezing our thighs and glutes. And it's okay that if we cannot flex our neck higher, just make sure we don't hang our head. The main focus in the Pilates practice, we want to engage the deep core muscles. So if we do it correctly, we are recruiting the deeper muscles without compensation. And you will feel the difference when you practice correctly, properly. So no rush. At the end of the day, we want to make sure that the practice is beneficial for our body. And of course, one of your main goals for watching this video is to relieve any pain that you might feel and become stronger from within. Please do not forget to register for the 7-day mindfulness mini course. Exhale, slowly rounding the mid-back, and slowly straighten the arm, straighten the right knee. Wait for it. If you feel comfortable, you're going to extend the back leg to the back Standing tall and nod the head, slowly roll down. Let's do spinal, lateral flexion, stretching to the side, the modified version, and gently shift the left knee back. Keep the right knee in line with the right ankle, up and expanding our chest without dropping the head behind the arms. Let's feel the stretch in our upper.